It appears Ryan Reynolds and Blake Lively are keeping close tabs on social media discussions. A recent Instagram post highlighted serious legal inconsistencies involving their connection to a company named Vanzan Inc. This entity was used in a lawsuit, Vanzan Inc. versus Does 1 to 10, filed in New York, which aimed to gain access to Jen Abel's private phone data. What's shocking is that when this case was filed, Vanzan was not even in good standing with the state. Legally, this raises massive questions about its ability to enter contracts or seek relief in court. The company hadn't filed its mandatory biennial statements since its inception in 2019. There were no officers, directors, or shareholders listed, only a registered agent. Neither Ryan Reynolds nor Blake Lively's names appeared on any documentation. Yet suddenly, after this discrepancy was publicly exposed, a biennial statement was filed. For the first time ever, Ryan Reynolds was named as Vanzan's chief executive officer. Blake Lively's name was still absent, and there were no women on the board of directors. This timing is suspicious. It happened after allegations surfaced suggesting Blake used Vanzan to obtain data from Jen Abel's phone, circumventing proper legal discovery processes. Abel's legal team alleges that Blake, along with her counsel, orchestrated a sham lawsuit using Vanzan purely to access private messages and files. In court, Blake's lawyer openly admitted the Vanzan lawsuit was solely an investigative tool, used before initiating her own claims against Justin Baldoni and Wayfair Studios. The legal team for Abel subpoenaed Vanzan to determine whether Blake or Ryan controls it. With Ryan now on record as CEO, it seems there's an attempt to rewrite history, shifting legal liability from Blake to Ryan. That way, Blake can potentially avoid consequences by asserting that Ryan, a non-party, was behind the Vanzan scheme. This revisionist approach becomes critical in court arguments. The legal team defending Blake now asserts that because Vanzan is Ryan's company, not hers, it shouldn't have to turn over documents. Yet it's been revealed that Blake previously admitted to using documents obtained via Vanzan. This contradiction directly supports Abel's argument. Vanzan was used to launder stolen private data and disguise it with a legal veneer. A core point of contention is request number 9 in the subpoena: communications between Blake, Jones Works, a PR firm, and Vanzan. Despite objections, the court is being urged to compel Vanzan to hand over these documents. They could prove that the so-called sham lawsuit was nothing more than a ploy to disguise the theft of Abel's personal data.